So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So today we will discuss our topic for group discussion, and today's topic is totally different, and today we are discussing about child. Okay, the worth of child means WRTH, worth. Okay, not about worth, Jan. We will discuss about worth. So what is the topic name, Christy?
Uh, do exam results alone determine the child's worth?
Do exams result alone determine the child's birth. तो क्या अकेले एग्जाम का रिजल्ट एक चाइल्ड की वैल्यू वर्थ कौन सा वाला है, वैल्यू वाला, क्या किसी बच्चे की वैल्यू डिसाइड कर सकता है, डिटरमाइन कर सकता है, या एक कोई एग्जाम का रिजल्ट? तो आपको ये इस टॉपिक के बारे में पूरा डिस्कस करना है, तो वन बाय वन करके वी विल स्टार्ट. ओके, सो डू एग्जाम रिजल्ट्स only determine the child's worth. So are you agree or not agree? So you will continue with your points. Okay, so who will initiate? Okay, Tejal.
So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, first of all, let me tell you the meaning of this topic. That, as sir told that, how the exam can affect on our life or on the the respect of the children. So, it is not the thing that if in the exam somebody's marks has not came good, so we should not respect that. Once if it is not good, so we will develop our mistakes and we will improve it. So I don't agree with this point that the exam determines that.
So first you have to tell me, or first you have to tell means what is the value of examination in child life. Okay, Harshit.
Exams are very important in the child life because it's an proof of the child's study, that what they have discussed in whole year, what they have studied in whole year. Exams is just like a test for children. If they do good in the examination, so it means they studied with full concentration and well. If they don't score good, so it means that they don't focus on the words of the teacher.
Yes. So Harshit, you are right, and I am agree with your points. Actually, exam is very important for every children. Okay, so because you are studying in school or college or any kind of studying you are doing, basically you all are school students. So you have to learn whatever things in the subject, and basically we are discussing some grammatical topics here and some grammar and some general behavior skills we are learning here. Okay, so these are also important, but your subject is also matter. Okay, so Christy, what's your opinion?
So I think that exams are mainly a thing in which nothing is out of syllabus. The thing which teacher taught us in the whole year and the thing we learned from school. And there is a exam just like in the Cambridge course, as there is a GP subject, and there is another exam. So the things which we learn not only in behavior or grammatically, we learn in the subjects also. And exam plays a very important role in a student's life, because they are just like a small test on which the everything is shown, that the students write about the questions which are given by teacher, and when they check the copy, so it shows everything, truth and faithfulness, that what have the student studied in the whole year.
So my next question is that, so just we are discussing about the means the value of examination in child's life. So actually can be only depend on the examination, means first we want to calculate the student's result. So just only parents see the result of the whole year, means in the whole year student learn so many things. So yes Raj, what's your point of view?
according to me, the examination is not most important in the child's life, because the child's knowledge and their work is they depend on their work and their knowledge. Not only the examination is only the proof of that they had focused on teacher and studied well to get some knowledge.
So, as I agree with the Yashra's point that he said about the child knowledge and his his wealth in front of his parents, that the parents think what when the child get low marks in any exam by mistake, as he learned very concentrately, but sometimes the teacher or parents doesn't focus on the children and just determine that the children is studying or not. If in case the children got low marks, somehow got low marks by mistake, the parents often meet the child and often discare him, so that that's why the pupil don't make any worth of the children.
As per me, exams are not only this shows the performance of child, because exams are the some part which is important for student, because exams are that which shows our whole year performance, not in the between of syllabus, not only other activities. In other activities the child learns a lot of things. For an example, in some classes some childs are good in music and not good in studies, so that is not their fault, that is their fault of the strategy, because they learn easily music. And study is not only for the reason of getting marks. Study is also uses for the to increase the capability and develop the also skills. Thank you.
Know the result not at all determine our numbers, and because they are just a pair of numbers and they are perform our talent and hard work.
So our examination mark can't we decide our future, and because in childhood we clear our base and we have to chance clear our mistakes, and it is important. And in examination teachers show our full year performance, and sometimes teacher forced a student that he will be a next topper of the class, so he have to extra forced.
So when exams are going on, so the child maybe the child is ill, so that's why he does not score well. So the parents should not focus on the marks, they should focus on the knowledge of the child. And sometimes the child is not good at studies, but he is good at other activities like in music, sports and etc. Sometimes the child want to become an cricketer and footballer and etc. So he is good at sports and other things.
According to me, I think that in which anything, just like any activity, or just like some students are more interested in sports and some are in other just like activities, just like dance, music and other things. So as Shrey said that it's very it's not that they are very interested in the music and they score low marks. So I think we should score some means good grades, not that much excellent grades. If you are interested in other things, you should score that much grades only that can be fit for you. And I think that thing do you want to become and do you want to do, I think you should do that.
Exam depends on the performance of the student. It is not that it will decide our future, but it decides our performance, that how we are performing in our class, and it tells that how creative our mind is, that how we are writing in our exam, and what type of thoughts are coming in our mind. So it is all over the performance of our academics. And as everyone told that there are so many cultural curricular activities, so we should focus on that also. We are good in those things, so we should do, but during the exam time, so we should also focus on our studies, because studies are also very much important. We can't leave our studies.
Coming to the topic, okay, so now we will discuss about the topic. Okay, so do exams only determine the child's birth? Okay, so just you have to define this topic only. Okay.
Now let's come to the topic. I don't think so that the one child's result alone determine the child's worth, because the student score low marks because they are interested. If the child score low marks, there is some reason behind that. If he is not interested in subjects, he is interested in other activities, or just he doesn't want that thing, he want anything very fun, and so we should not force that child, because anything we should tell them that as I told previous to that we should tell them to score good marks, not that much better marks, so they can be balanced in both the things. They can be balanced in their activities, and I don't think so that one child result determine their worth, because a child is everything for himself. He has a self-respect, and he thinks that the activity he wants to become, so he thinks that that is their main goal, and they have to do that and become the thing. Just like our student want to become a musician, so he will not be that much focused on the studies. He will you will notice and see that he will be taking participate in every type of activity which is related to music. So I don't think so, and it's not true that the one result can tell the and determine the child's worth.
So I agree with Krishti that she said one exam does not determine the child's worth, because sometimes there is no child's fault. Some teachers do not explain so well, and the students don't ask doubts to the teachers, and sometimes students have knowledge, but they are not explaining in their thoughts, so that's why he is not scoring well. And sometimes the student is good at other activities, and so that's why he is not studying, he is not focusing on the studies, etc.
So I really agree with both of the girls, as they told that it is not dependent on the exams that the worth of the children. So I totally agree with them. So if I talk about this topic, so I don't agree that the exams determine the worth of a child. So really, if somebody is not good in studies, so maybe he or she will improve in the future. So one exam cannot determine the future or their worth. If somebody, like in my class, one of the children is very good in swimming. She is good in academics also, but she is very good in swimming. So she is achieving so many awards and things for the swimming. So we should focus on our cultural activities and our curricular activities, but we should focus on our academics as well, because if we are not focusing now, so it will determine in our future.
Voice one by one. So now you can left all the girls.
Yes, I am agree that one exam does not determine the worth of child. That if we see that if we see some students, they don't study in class with full focus. They when the exams will come, so they only learn that things without focus. Like this is called in Hindi that ratna. So it is very harmful for children. Like if we see, like if we score good marks in our these classes like 6th 7th, and we don't study carefully all the topics, so it will not useful for us. Thank you.
So I am fully agree with Harshit, and our marks can't be determined our child birth, because it is a pair of numbers, and we also listen that one mark sheet can't be decide our future, because if we unable to do study, so we have to other chance like perform well in sports and other curricular activities. So if we talk about India's expectations, so India's expectations are that we will win this match, World Cup and Olympic. But if we talk about India's ground, so we have not a better ground for sports, and not a other place. We have not a good ground.
And there are many type of politicians like a hard worker and focus our study. This is follow, so you can pass an exam. So this our future is good.
So exams cannot determine the futures of the child. I am agree with the fully three boys, and they said that exams are not, they can determine the child's future. So as per me, exams are that these are only shows are the personality which we are doing in our classes nowadays, and exams are shows that what we have done in our whole year. And if we are not good in exams, so that is not our fault. It's with many students it happens. And if a child is good in other activities like cultural activities, for an example, if a child is good in cricket, so he can become a cricketer. Not that is not that their fault to a child can determine that exams can determine the future. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with Sri that he said about that one exam will not determine the value or worth of a children. As I also agree with that, only a single exam cannot determine the worth of a children. As we know that sometimes by mistakes or by any kind of problems, the children was not able to give his exam properly. So that in that case, the children often cry or weep that he got low marks because of something or something. So now I am giving to Yashraj.
So only the examination cannot determine the future of children or the worth of the children. So this is wrong, and the examination can't show the worth of child. If any child get injured or get ill, so they can't do their examination well, so they don't get good marks in examination.
If we talk about those parents and those societies who give taunt to that student, they will not get good marks in examination. So they should not do this, because by this the student can go in depression. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now you can continue. What have you listened? What are these guys performed? Okay. So you have to continue this topic. Means what's your opinion on this topic? Okay. Harshit.
Yes, I agree with all of the boys, and I want to say that the student worth is decided by its hard work and its belief in the study. This is not a good point that students are judged by their examination marks.
So according to me, and no, a child worth don't cannot determined by exam result, because because exam result is not only enough to to get to determine a child worth. Suppose that a child has incidentally get passed in a class, and he is motivated and want to grow in, and want to also pass in next class. So so but without support of their parents and their friends, they get demotivated. So parents and friends also get motivate him thing.
According to me, our exam result not decide the future of our child, because today he will fail in exam, but tomorrow he will pass an exam. And if he want to he don't want to do study, he want to play cricket and become cricketer, football player, etc. So he become that one.
Yes, I agree with you, Harsh, and I want to say that there are some examination that determines the future of the child. Like in 10th, the board exam is very important for the child life.
So yes, as also the previous group said that not only the study matters in the child life, that it's not a thing like that study is only the thing that can help you in your life. So many people, many childs are not even interested in study, like they are interested in any kind of business. And I heard about a child who started a business of batteries, and today he is a very successful businessman. So if a child is not interested in studies, so we should say him to study, or her. But if they are studying as well as they are participating in the academics, so we should not force them to actually focus on the studies, only the studies, because it can affect their mind. And if they are not if they are only studying, then it can affect their mind, and they can thought that I cannot achieve anything in my life, and they can get renewed.
So yes, I am agree with Aradhya, and in my opinion, the exam cannot determine the child birth, because it's just a score or a number. If the student is not interested in that, we have to ask them, so in which subject and which thing you are interested, and don't stop them to do that, because if they are interested in that thing, so they can achieve it. And like if any student got good marks, so it is like the thing that motivate them. But if the students score not good marks, so they are hopeless, and everyone try to give them taunt, like, but it's not good, it hopeless them.
Yes, I agree with you from all of the girls, and I want to say that the child is in the pressure if their examination result is so low, and there are so many different types of pressure and tension of the examination that students have.
And I am fully agree with Harshit, because Harshit said that if one student have many pressure in examination, because he think I am fail in exam, I my future is bust, and the and and his parents support him. You do not give and give up. You do not give up. And according to me, the a student not interested in study and other sports, and a student choose him our life route. Not only you choose your life, and not anyone. Yeah, you success that you success on this, and you build a success stage.
Yes, I agree with you that you have said about our future is in our hand, and I want to say that if any student are not interested in study, so they can choose the academics or in something else.
I don't think that test papers make our life. It is just a piece of paper that given by us to the teacher, what mistake we have done in it. To practice in future, we will practice it to good at it, what we have done in previously. Thank you.
I think some students are not interested in study, but they are interested in sports and music and other activities. And study is important, and most important thing are behavior and manners. Thank you. So yes, I am agree with everyone, and in conclusion I want to say that no, the examination cannot determine the child worth, because it's just a score or a number. The worth of the child is only determined by the manners, by their discipline, what they do in their life, and what the gesture, posture, and if the students study goods in their session, and above what in which class they study, so it will the good thing. And if anyone not good mark get not good marks, so they have to try a lot to get them.
So in conclusion, I also want to say something. So if your child is not is interested in study, so many times it happens that he is or she is not getting good marks in their exams, so they pulls them to be at the shops or to start any kind of business. So we should not force them to do such things. They are interested in studies, so we should allow them to do studies. If they are interested in academics, so we should allow them to go ahead in their life, because when they are suffering from their future, so they will only suffer from that. No one will come to help them. The people who are saying this will only say at that time no one will come to help them. Thank you.
My point is only examination marks is not determine a student's life, and it's determine it matter on his behavior, manners, and in our life in our life many routes to choose, like like
In conclusion, I want to say that no, the examination does not determine the worth of the child. And in last, I want to say that I have a quote that is hard work is the key point of success. Let like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you.